Hi all, I'm Dr. Aslam, specialist pulmonologist from International Modern Hospital, Dubai. November 20 is observed as World COPD Day. So today I am here to talk few words about COPD. You may not aware about the term COPD, but COPD is one of the leading cause of the death. This is the third leading cause of the death worldwide. So what is COPD? The COPD, the full form is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This is the disease affecting the airways and the air sacs in your lungs. Where when there is a continuous smoking and all the things, these airways become obstructed, means become narrowed, and the airways, the air sacs, you have the air sacs in your lungs. These air sacs become distracted, and this affect your oxygen diffusion through the lungs. COPD is a disease which is seen in mainly in smokers. They may present with a continuous cough, breathing difficulty, which may be initially during at the rest. Gradually, this breathing difficulty will be there even at the rest. So the main symptoms are this chronic continuous cough and the breathing difficulty are the main symptom of the COPD. So if any smoker is suffering from this type of the problem, doctors will do mainly two tests. One is a breathing test known as spirometry, and a chest X-ray may be also be done. This will be enough to diagnose whether you are suffering from COPD or not. If you are suffering from the COPD, then the treatments are there. As early as possible, if you detect the COPD, the treatment will be more fruitful and you can control the disease more easily. And one another important point is that not smoking cigarette alone is not the risk factor. Even shisha smoking is one of the other most important cause for this COPD. So the management part is stop smoking, and other treatments like inhalers and all the things are there. So if you are a smoker and if you are suffering from a chronic cough, continuous cough or dyspnea, breathing difficulty on exertion and all the things, just consult your doctor to find out whether a pulmonologist you can visit to find out whether you are having a COPD. And if it is detected very early, the treatment can be started as early as possible, and the disease progression can be prevented, and the disease can be well controlled. Thanks.